I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get gravel acorns in Skyfactory 4. First, you'll want to set up a simple cobblestone generator. This provides an infinite source of material. Next, take your cobblestone and craft it into gravel using a standard crafting table. Finally, ensure you have at least one wooden sieve ready, as this is crucial for the next step. It's a straightforward process to get your initial resources flowing. Once you have your gravel and sieve, simply place the gravel into the sieve's inventory slot. Then, activate the sieve. You'll see the gravel being processed. Each time you sieve a block of gravel, there's a chance to obtain a gravel acorn. Keep sieving to accumulate more acorns, as they are essential for expanding your resource generation. Patience is key here. To scale up your gravel acorn production, automation is vital. Start by automating your cobblestone generator to continuously produce cobblestone. Then, use hoppers to automatically transfer the gravel into a line of sieves. For even greater efficiency, look into crafting an automatic sifter. This machine processes gravel much faster and requires less manual input, freeing you up for other tasks. To truly maximize your gravel acorn yield, consider upgrading your sieves to higher tiers, like the iron or diamond sieve, as these offer improved drop rates and speed. Also, establish an efficient tree farm to ensure a constant supply of wood for crafting additional sieves or other essential tools. Remember, the more sieves you have running, the faster you'll accumulate those valuable acorns. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your real-life space as clean as your Skyfactory island.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.